Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries and honoring the unsung heroes whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Now today's celebration. Nelson Mandela International Day theme. A legacy of hope, unity, and nation building. What if one man's pain could light a path for millions? What if 27 years behind bars turned into a lifetime of freedom for a whole nation? Stay with us as we honor the legacy of a leader who showed the world that peace, justice, and happiness begin with the courage to forgive. Nelson Mandela International Day is a time to reflect on the powerful legacy of a man who fought for equality, justice, and human dignity. On this day, we honor his dream of a world where everyone is respected, no matter who they are. Mandela believed in the power of education, empathy, and unity. His life didn't just change South Africa, it touched the whole world. He showed us that true happiness isn't just about personal success, but about building a better life for others too. Mandela's journey is proof that forgiveness is stronger than revenge. After 27 years in prison for fighting apartheid, he walked free in 1990 and chose peace over anger. He told the crowd, "I greet you all in the name of peace, democracy, and freedom for all. I therefore place the remaining years of my life in your hands." In 1994, he became South Africa's first democratically elected president and served just one term, choosing to lead with humility. His words still guide us. It is in your hands to make a better world. Education is the most powerful weapon. I am not a saint, unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying. Mandela taught us that happiness comes from standing up for others. By fighting for fairness, we create stronger communities. His legacy urges us to lead with kindness, respect others, and do our part to make the world better. Just a quick break. Please, if you are learning something, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification for more celebrations. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Testimonies of Impact. Testimony 1. Amina, rural graduate. I was born in a poor village with little hope. But a program inspired by Mandela's values helped me go to school. I became the first in my family to graduate. Now I help others like me chase their dreams. I owe it to the belief Mandela gave us, that education can change everything. Testimony 2. Themba, peacebuilder. I grew up in a place full of conflict. I didn't see a future. Mandela's message of reconciliation pushed me to become a peace worker. I now bring people together across divided communities. His life gave mine a mission. Thank you to the unsung heroes. As we honor Mandela today, we must also recognize the unsung heroes who continue his work worldwide. These are the educators, activists, community leaders, and everyday individuals who dedicate their time, passion, and skills to making the world a better place. You might not make headlines, but your work is shaping a more just, kind, and united world. We thank you. If you've not yet joined this movement, now is the time. Speak up. Reach out. Give back. Mandela believed in ordinary people doing extraordinary things. You can be one of them. It's in your hands. Happy Nelson Mandela International Day. Today, we celebrate the spirit of unity, justice, forgiveness, and resilience that Nelson Mandela embodied. His legacy continues to inspire us all to work toward a world where peace and happiness flourish, and where every individual has the opportunity to contribute to nation building. Together, we can carry forward his vision of a brighter, more inclusive future for all. Let's raise our glasses to celebrate the unsung heroes. WHO continue his work worldwide. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours. Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming events. Coming next, the 20th of July. The 20th of July, World Chess Day. The 20th of July, International Moon Day. The 25th of July, World Drowning Prevention Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.